Hey guys, Shaqtech from Shaqtech here, and welcome to a brand new video. A little bit of a different video today. Here I am with my mountain bike. This is a Roscoe 7, Trek Roscoe 7 mountain bike, and I'm going to try and lubricate my bike chain for the first time. It's been about a year. It seems to be getting quite dry, getting a bit of clicks coming on. So I thought, let's try and lubricate it and see if I can do it off the bat. Should be, in theory, an easy job, but let's get right into it. Step one, we want to clean off any excess grease or old grease or any grime or dirt off here. So what I'm going to do is just get a clean rag, some water, and just give a little bit of a scrub on the existing chains. Helps that if you just pedal backwards a little bit, really get into there. Cool, now that I've kind of got that excess grime and grease off from previously, I'm going to get a dry rag, and again, as I did before, just cycle backwards and dry it off. Alright, so I've now cleaned it off with any grease and grime. Now I'm going to use some chain lubricant. So this is the WD-40 bike chain lubricant. I got this at the warehouse here in New Zealand, about 15 bucks. Probably get it at any kind of general store or bike store. Yeah, and apparently what you want to do is try and lubricate each chain, and so while you do it you want to kind of back pedal so the chain goes through, but you want to try to get some of this on essentially each chain. So let's give it a go. To our original thing, I'm going to do this about, according to the instructions, we want to do it about 5 to 6 times on a backspin. So I'll do it a couple more rounds, about 5 to 6 times, and then once I've done that, you want to do a little bit of a pedal forward a bit, a couple of rounds to get it all running the other way, and yeah, and hopefully that should be set to go. So I've lubricated the chain with my WD-40 bike lubricant, chain lubricant. A couple of rounds, I went 4 or 5 rounds backwards, putting the chain lubricant. Next, according to the instructions, is you just want to lift the back wheel up a little bit and spin the wheel forward. Just put it back down and let it come through this way. Then you want to grab your rag and essentially just dry off any excess grease, any lubricants. So there you go, good as new. And apparently that's it. The chain should be good to go. I'm about to hit the tracks pretty much after this straight away. They said to leave about 30 to 60 seconds to let it really seep in, which I've done, and yeah. Let me know down in the comments below if you want to see more bike related videos. I'm thinking of recording sometimes when I go on a trail. And let me know if there's any other better way to do this. But yeah, let me know down in the comments below what you want to see. But as always, I'm one, and I'll see you in the next one.